through the initiative of Smarter Philippines and in partnership with the Regional Lead School for the Arts in Angono, sinagawa po namin itong mural painting activity na dinaluhan at sinalihan ng 19 students from visual arts dito po sa ARSA. And sila po ay nagpinta ng larawan na sumisimbolo sa kung ano ang benefits, kung ano ang advantages ng pagsasagawa or pagpapractice natin ng breathe-safe solutions para maiwasan at ma-eliminate ang impacts ng air pollution sa ating kapaligiran at especially sa ating kalusugan.
Having students involved in this project is definitely something relevant and beneficial to their lives, in which they were able to learn the importance of taking their place in society by keeping our environment clean and less polluted. Due to COVID outbreak, we experienced the most difficult times of our lives. We tend to continue living in our house, like hiding away from our loved ones and friends. This initiative helped us understand and realize that we must contribute to maintaining a brighter future for the next generation and put an end to this pandemic. This output will serve as a reminder that we live on the same planet and we breathe the same air. So keep helping our environment healthy. In return, we will continue to breathe healthier air.
Ever since I learned of how we can prevent air pollution and how we can inspire people to save the earth and lessen the pollution in the air just by painting, I feel very good to be a part of this experience.
Ang pinapadalang message po ng artwork na to ay kahit po maliit lang po nag-change sa mga actions ng mga tao ay pwede pong makatulong po na ma-lessen po yung effects po ng air pollution.
Yung message po ng painting namin, yung mural namin, is yung mga kabataan po, sila po yung magiging isa po sa mga susi para maiwasan po yung air pollution. Kasi hindi lang naman po yung mga kabataan yung mga tao yung nakikinabang sa pag-ano po ng air pollution. Kasi pati rin naman po yung mga hayop po. Kasi sila din po yung nakikinabang dito. Humihinga din po sila ng mga hangin. Tsaka yung air pollution po is talagang hindi po talaga siya magandang epekto sa mga hayop at mga tao.
Naging boses po yung magiging talent po namin dito sa painting na maano po yung advocate about sa air pollution, yung like malinis po siya, luminis po yung air dito sa area namin, yun.
It's an honor po to be part of this project kasi po ano naman po natin na hindi lang po sa Pilipinas tong air pollution, nasa buong mundo po to. And tayo po mga Pilipino is iba-iba po yung language natin sa buong mundo eh. Pero pag nakikita po nila yung art, maintindihan po nila na yung message po namin is dapat po mabawas mo air pollution sa mundo. And yun po. Masaya po kasi po ginagawa po namin itong message na to para po iparating po sa mundo na dapat po bawasan natin yung air pollution. Then gumawa po tayo ng way. Let's do our best po.
Our mural symbolizes the hopes and the dreams of the Filipino people and what they wish for there to be in the future. A healthier planet with more breathable air, and I think we will be able to achieve that future with the help of smart air. Yeah.
Ang message po ng artwork na ito is to prevent air pollution from increasing or evolving. And ang message din po nito is to make people aware na kahit sa anong ginagawa po natin is may na-epekto rin po ito sa Mother Earth.
I feel very happy and honored to be a part of this project. Kasi this does not only promote clean air, but the preventions of air pollution and the positive sides of effectively saving it. For me, the message has a lot into it, and as I can see, us children can help us change the work for and avoid the air pollution and give a clearer air. As I heard that past is always the history and we can always change the future.
At Smart Air, we believe that taking an action now will greatly help in ending the impacts of air pollution. Start your journey with Smart Air Philippines and let's create a better and sustainable world for future generations.
Be part of the solution,
Not the pollution!